girls intermingle here.
Just kick the bottom out and let it fall down.
This one.
Yeah, that will work too.
Okay, I'm crawling in and under. Now, I noticed there were some eggs back here a couple of days ago, ladies. What'd you do with them? What'd you do with those eggs? There it is, gone. Oh, here it is. Come on.
Well, looks like they're not disturbed at all. They're all happy to mingle. You can't tell who's who anymore.
Yep. Well, Mr. Joe, what do you think? Have you got more ladies in there than you ever thought you'd imagine to have the control over? Look at those ladies. Just getting along just fine, aren't they? Come on, girls. Come get some dinner. Mr. Joe, are you happy? Make sure you let the ladies know where to sleep tonight. Come on, ladies. Look here. Look here, girls. Look here, girls. You're welcome, Mr. Joe.
Clock.
Happy campers.
Yep.